During the budget session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on the 27th of March 2023, the MLA from North Shillong Constituency, Adelbert Nongrum, had raised a zero-hour notice on the expenses by the Health Department during the COVID-19 period.
The matter relates to a news item which appeared in Maufor on dated 31st January 2023 under the caption Saupulai Kulur Tingka Penokam Bakla Ka Health Department Ban Yakun COVID. The same news item also appeared in Ulongsai Hima on the same date under the caption Saupulai Kulur Tingka Bam Kolok Ka Sorkar Jala Nakapisa COVID Ka Sorkar Preng. Mr. Speaker, sir, I only request for clarification from the Health Minister to the particular matter of grave importance, which I shall specifically draw attention. During the last Assembly session, that is Autumn Session 2022, I had put a start question to the government on dated 12 September 2022 regarding amount spent on COVID-19 till date. Regarding amount spent on COVID-19 till date. And with reference to the total amount spent from the centre, the reply from the Health Minister was rupees 76.56 crores. Now, we see from the news item that has been raised in this zero-hour matter that the RTI finding by one dispassing Rani, one of the RTI activists, which he received from the CPIO, NHM Finance Division, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, that central release of grants in AIDS through NHM on the India COVID-19 emergency response and health system preparedness package for state of Meghalaya was rupees 15.61 crore in phase 1 and rupees 104.12 crore in phase 2. I am not aware of COVID-19 activities continuing in the state after dated 12 September 2022. I may repeat again. I am not aware of COVID-19 activities continuing in the state after dated 12 September 2022. Therefore, as a member of this August House, it is my parliamentary privilege to be given the correct information and not to mislead.
Yes, Minister in charge to reply, please.
Honourable Speaker, sir, at the outset, I would like to thank Adelbert Nongrum, Honourable Member from North Shillong Constituency, for calling attention on this topic through Rule 49A. During the COVID pandemic, I would like to clarify to the August House the following facts. During the COVID pandemic period, Union of India, through Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, had come up with an emergency COVID response package to support the efforts of state in its efforts towards fighting COVID. The package was accorded to Meghalaya in 2 phases, viz. ECRP Phase 1, ECRP Phase 2. This was funded through the National Health Mission. ECRP Phase 1 is 100% centrally funded head, whereas ECRP Phase 2 encapsulates a 90:10 funding pattern between the central and the state government, respectively. ECRP 1 was for the year 2020 to 2021, and ECRP 2 was during 2021 to 2022. The question asked in the Assembly in the autumn session of 2022 was regarding the amount spent from central and state respectively for COVID intervention. Thus, the answer that was mentioned was 76.56 crores in this August House, sir. The RTI filed to the Union Ministry had asked for the amount sanctioned, for which a reply given as on 20th January 2023 was 104.12 crores rupees. I would like to mention that the amount mentioned in the RTI is correct. However, the reply given during the then autumn session was about the money that was spent already. Various works under ECRP2 are long-term works, the works of which are ongoing. Moreover, the sanction for one major component of the package, that is the critical care block amounting to 21.38 crores, was given much later than that of the other components. The work has just begun for that, and no financial progress has been made so far. Therefore, the amount that has been misunderstood as missing has not been spent and shall be released based on the physical progress of the sanctioned work, sir.